Here are
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
Rose shoots. He puts it off the window.
Jalen Rose, the assist to number 6, Travis Beck.
O'Neal with the fake. Gives it off to Hill. The shot is no good.
Now, you've got to wonder why he keeps hoisting them up.
Best is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. To Curry. Kicks it out to Rose. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. McGrady grabs it. Opening up the floor with a fast break. Finger roll. The Bulls give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start jawing at the refs. Get yourself back on D.
I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts. When it comes to shooting, this man is unstoppable.
DeMar Johnson.
Pass to Hill. Passes off to Weber. He throws the alley-oop.
The assist to Chris Weber.
He sets it up on the left side. Davis is called for the defensive foul. Best to the line, shooting 2. It's good.
Team foul, number 1.
Rims out. With the nice shot fake.
Travel. That's a travel.
Oh, that was an unbelievable 180 dunk.
The assist to number 1. Tracy
He
McGrady.
sets it up on the right side. O'Neal grabs it. When it comes down to crunch time, Baron Davis is the guy you want to have the ball.
Baron Davis.
Rose is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
With the rainmaker.
Out of bounds. Chicago ball.
Best is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul. Marshall has been trying to refine his foul shot and get that percentage up a couple of points. It's good.
Let's get a stop.
Back to Davis. To T-Mac. He fakes. Tries with 3. Got it.
This guy's making it look way too easy.
He'll bring it up court. Best sets things up. Johnson, good fake. He misses the tray. He looks to run. He sets it up on the right side. To Hill with the nice shot fake.
Come on, Ralph. Foul.
To Hill.
Foul.
To T-Mac.
2 minutes left in the first quarter.
Dish to Davis. He's been robbed.
Coming up, right.
With the nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. Bulls ball.
C-Webb got into his head that time. That was great anticipation that time, Bob.
Down, he had both feet set and drew the foul.
Best is whistled for the backcourt violation.
Chicago.
With the nice shot fake. That was a sick two-handed
The
jam.
assist to number 1. Tracy McGrady.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post off.
It's a 7-0 run. The Magic lead by 8. He's an excellent foul shooter, and he still shoots a lot of them in practice.
That's a real old-school work ethic he's got going on.
Marshall takes the board. He sets it up on the left side. Rose, good fake. He misses the 3. McGrady with the board. Battles the rim. That's a 9-zip run. The Magic are ahead by 10.
Tracy McGrady. To
Johnson. Passes off to Curry. Gets it back out to Johnson. Davis with the defensive foul. Best with the J. They're running and gunning. With both hands.
Just the issue.
That gives him 7 points. That's an 11-0 run. He'll bring it up court.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there.
In this situation, look to your franchise players to come up with something spectacular.
He fakes the shot to Weber. Pass to Hill. Looks at the three. Curry brings it down.
They should try to make the most of this.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points.
The way he's shooting, his man is going to start to cheat on the D.
To Davis. Dishes it to McGrady. Tosses it into O'Neal. Curry picks up the defensive foul.
Curry. That's his first personal. They are now in the penalty.
Rims off. O'Neal misses them both. Curry collects the rebound. No. O'Neal boards it after one. Orlando is ahead 19-7. Their coach can't like what he's seen after one quarter.
Don, they should be winning this game right now, and they would be if it weren't for some mental mistakes. These guys have to get themselves sorted out.
Out the road. Johnson pump fake. He's having a tough night.
But he is keeping his head in the game.
Out of bounds.
Right now, the official and the coach are having words.
Those guys have been a lot of games together, and they're just trying to sort things out.
They're trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Stolen. He's a real full-court pickpocket.
Let's see if they can convert that energy into a made shot.
Davis, good fake. Marshall grabs it. They're off and running.
Get in the passing lane.
Bulls are starting to forget what a good shot looks like.
To Shaq. To C-Web. Marshall keeps his feet. The Bulls didn't have time to react.
They only had time to watch that shot go down.
Got me on the arm. Two.
Rose feels they have an advantage down low. They're going to try and exploit it.
Into the game for Chicago, number 34, Charles Oakley.
Williams takes the jumper. This team has been able to out-rebound their opponents throughout the game.
They weren't able to keep up with the running game.
The coach might want to call a timeout to give his team a breather. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Marshall with the J. Oakley grabs the offensive rebound.
C-Web's not only a scorer, he can handle the ball as well as any big man and is an excellent passer.
Rose is called for the foul. Hill to the line for three.
That's his first personal. Team foul, number 1.
Rims out. He's 0 for 2 from the line.
Into the game for the Chicago Bulls, number 21, Marcus Pfizer.
Hill gets it. Williams sets it up on the left side. Backs him in. Lays it in. The Magic definitely want to get that one back.
These guys have pride, and that kind of slip will not be tolerated.
Pump fake. Dishes off to Davis. Gives it off to Davis. He misses the jumper. Pfizer with the board.
We got to stop.
There's the elevation.
He's got some lift.
The assist to Jay Williams.
Oakley with the steal. The fake. Tries the three. O'Neal grabs the offensive board. Up for the layup. That's 6 points for the former LSU Tiger. seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
2 minutes
Looks
left
like they
in
want
the
to go
second
inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
quarter. For 3, the assist to number 42, Danielle Marshall.
He buys the shot fake. Offensive foul.
They're calling for the charge, Don.
It was a good call. The defense was set that time.
Curry.
He sets it up on the right side. Curry with the fake. Book it.
There wasn't much they could do that time.
Well, sometimes your man is just going to hit the shot. There's the awesome two-handed flush.
No one's getting a piece of that.
That's 6 points for the former first-round pick.
Aaron Davis.
Williams is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Pfizer takes the shot. Orlando with the push. He shakes the defense with a quick crossover.
Production in the paint is going to be key in tonight's contest.
Orlando increases their lead
Into the
to
game
12.
for the Bulls. Number 34, Charles Oakley. And number 1, DeMar Johnson.
Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. O'Neal with the interception.
The offense isn't able to get their transition game going.
They'll need to run something in the half court. T-Mac now has 6 points. Williams wants to try and work it into the post here. Hill comes up with it. The Bulls are contesting the ball end to end.
And good things are happening.
With the quick transition. Wow, did you see how high he got on that dunk? That's an all-star dunk. That's an 8-0 run.
The assist to Tracy
Williams
McGrady.
is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He drains the jumper. The Bulls reduce the lead to 14. Back to Hill. O'Neal handles the dish. Davis receives the ball. He pump fakes. Weber takes the shot. Williams is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Rejects it. After 2, Orlando is ahead 34-20. If this team does one thing differently in the second half, they should contest more shots.
Absolutely, Don. I'm talking about really getting up on the guys, challenging the shooter, and just not waving a hand in the face.
Davis with the foul. He goes for the fake. He's been robbed. Orlando with the quick transition off. Finds him perfectly for the jam. That's 8 points for the fourth-year veteran.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Best feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Rose wants to try and work it into the post here. He comes away with it. They've been able to use their press to come up with steals. Hill drains the 2. We're seeing an offensive-minded player at work.
And liking it. The defensive player timed that one perfectly. Came away with the ball.
That was on a 6-0 run. Orlando increases their lead to 20.
Number 1, Baron Davis.
Shot blocked by McGrady.
Out of bounds. Bulls ball.
Johnson with the J.
He is definitely having problems with his stroke tonight.
Dish to Hill. With a nice shot fake. O'Neal off the glass. That's an 8-zip run.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Davis is charged with a foul.
Defensive foul to number 1, Baron
Goes up
Davis.
with the shot.
That's his
Johnson
fifth
owns that
team
shot
foul.
most nights.
Number 2,
McGrady is whistled for the backcourt violation.
Orlando.
Lets it fly.
They were way off on that.
This is not what they talked about in the locker room at all. Up fake. To O'Neal. With the layup. Now that was the matchup they wanted.
One-on-one, Don. This player has a tough time staying with him.
Johnson takes the 3. Hill gets the rebound. Orlando playing the transition game.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
He's fouled out. They nail him for another one.
Into the game.
That's
for the
just
Orlando
careless
Magic.
play, Don.
Number 10, Darryl Armstrong.
Best fakes the shot. Got it.
Travis Best.
He fakes. To T-Mac for three. He gets the bucket. He has a game-high 13 points.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Best sets it up on the right side. They want to try and work it into the post here. To Marshall. Steal.
Orlando wants to turn that steal into some points.
Curry grabs it to Best. He sets it up on the left side. To Marshall with the jumper. Got it.
The perimeter defenders have to be aware of those entry passes and start to contest them.
Gives it off to Armstrong. To T-Mac. To Shaq. Curry goes for the shot fake. Fires. Got it. That'll put pressure on the defense.
So far, they just can't contain him, Don.
Shaquille O'Neal. 2 minutes left in the third quarter.
Backs him down. Batted away by Hill. Best is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Curry with the jumper. O'Neal grabs it. That's 6 boards for the former LSU Tiger.
Travel.
He gets his man in the air. The tomahawk jam. Brace the power.
Number 33, Grant Hill.
He sets it up on the right side. Johnson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He almost ripped down the rim. That's a 7-zip run.
Orlando's going to come up with a lot more steals with that kind of ball.
He knows how to bring the game up a notch. That's a 9-0 run.
Number 10, Darrell Armstrong.
He fakes the shot with the rainmaker. O'Neal takes the board. Finger roll. Count it.
And they'll add some more points to the scoreboard.
Best is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Gives it off to Marshall. Best feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. McGrady gets the board. Weber receives the pass. Passes off to O'Neal. Sends it to Weber. To Hill. 3. It's good. That's 15 points for the former first-round pick. That's a 14-0 run.
Number 22, Jay Williams. The assist to Chris Weber.
Williams wants to try and work it into the post here. Rose is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
That's 6 points for the 9-year pro. With a nice little spin move to the Diesel. Puts off the J.
Shaquille O'Neal.
After 3, the Magic lead 65-2. Robert, we're looking at a team that was able to use the third quarter to build on a very good first half.
Now, this team is like a python. They get you where they want you, and they start squeezing.
That's his second personal.
O'Neal
Team foul.
goes to the
Number
charity
1,
stripe
to
for
the
2.
line. Shooting 2, Shaquille O'Neal.
He's 1 for 3 from the line. Misses. Curry boards it. That's 5 boards for the former first-round pick. Williams sets it up on the right side. Rose, no good. Curry makes the offensive rebound. He's now got 6 rebounds. With the nice shot fake, dishes off to Armstrong. To McGrady. To Hill. Tries the 3. Drains it from downtown.
The assist to Darrell Armstrong.
I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Williams is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. He's been robbed. To Flagg.
Has he got game? You bet he does.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Sends it to Williams. Curry is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
Swatted away by T-Mac.
Out of bounds. Chicago ball.
3 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Miller can't find the hole. O'Neal picks it out of the air. Bingo! The Magic on a 7-zip run.
Shaquille O'Neal.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved. That's great ball pressure.
He gets it done.
He gets it down.
That's 22 points for the 6-year pro. Williams wants to try and work it into the post here. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
He's backing down. Weber with the fifth. They'll add another steal to their total for the game. Armstrong for the finger roll. That's an 11-0 run.
For Chicago, number 34, Charles Oakley.
The Magic have all the momentum they need to close out this game.
And it looks like the defense is having a hard time slowing them down.
Let alone stopping them. Armstrong is called for the defensive foul.
That's his first personal team foul, number 1.
Miller has got a soft touch from the charity
Mike
stripe.
Miller.
Their second team is playing like they should be starting. Rims out. Weber takes the board. He's now got 5 rebounds. To C-Webb. Stolen. The Bulls with the ball.
They swing back to the attack.
Williams is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Shot blocked by him. Armstrong is whistled for the defensive foul. This player is such a competitor that he fights for every advantage.
Yeah, but sometimes he hurts you with that enthusiasm.
Weber grabs the board. Orlando kicks it out, wants to run, but they can't get the fast break. That gives him a game-high 24 points.
The assist to number 10, Darrell Armstrong.
To Rose. To Williams. Pass to Marshall.
Step up the D.
Williams takes it hard to the rack. That's 7 points for the first-round draft pick.
Marshall. 2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter.
With a nice shot fake to T-Mac. The 3. There it is. He's stepping up his offense.
And that's just what his team needs.
He sets it up on the right side. Miller with the rainmaker. Goes in. That's 6 points for the third-year pro. To Hill. Passes off to Armstrong. Gives it off to McGrady. There's the fake. Looks at 3. That sequence didn't work out for them at all.
The shooter got the ball a little outside of his range and couldn't convert.
From 3-point territory. That was a sweet shot.
And his team wants to see him come up with a few more of those to help them get the win.
Rose with the defensive foul.
Jalen Rose into the game for the
Hey.
Chicago Bulls. Number 1, DeMar Johnson.
Marshall picks off the pass. Chicago is on the fast break, and they've got the numbers. Hill pulls it down. He quickly brings it up the floor. Dishes off to Armstrong. They walloped him tonight.
Oh, yeah. These guys had no rights coming in here unless they brought their A game.
It looked more like about a C-. McGrady picks it out of the air. That's 5 points for the 6-year veteran. Hill takes the offensive rebound. The player doesn't know what that one was all about. He wants an explanation.
Well, the official's going to try to clear things up for him.
The 3. Johnson can't find his shot, but he's been looking. With the J. Armstrong grabs the offensive board. That gives him 8 points.
Come on, let's get up. What are you doing, Rep? 5. Call it.
Steele. This man is holding court tonight.
And he's having quite a game.
Hill shoots.
They haven't been able to stop him yet tonight, but they're going to have to find a way if they want to win.
Looks at the 3. Another miss.
No question, the defense has got their number.
9 points for the 11-year pro. That's a 6-0 run.
Darrell Armstrong.
Get it off.
Curry takes the jumper.
Eddie Curry for 2. The assist to Travis Betts.
final score, Orlando 88, Chicago 39.